You only use CLO3D for rendering your designs and you want to customize their face makeup, eye colors, or add tattoos. Let's see how in this tutorial. Choose Avatar. Locate File folder. Copy link to Open Files folder. Add images to new folder. Draw on top of each flat image with a new layer in Procreate or Photoshop. Repeat the process for all body parts. Save all new designs to test. Add your new folder to CLO. Click on the body part you need to customize. Drag and drop your image in the editor, not the avatar. And you are done. Happy customization!